Welcome to Niagara Falls, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on the planet. In this video, we will explore why this majestic destination is the ultimate spot for tourists from around the globe. From its stunning beauty to the exhilarating activities and unique experiences it offers, Niagara Falls is a place that truly has it all. Let's dive in and discover the magic of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is renowned for its unparalleled natural beauty. The falls are comprised of three separate waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the largest, the Horseshoe Falls. Together, they create a mesmerizing display of nature's power and grace. The sight of millions of gallons of water cascading down each minute is both awe-inspiring and humbling, drawing visitors from all over the world. Whether you visit during the day or at night, the beauty of Niagara Falls is ever-changing. During the day, the sunlight creates stunning rainbows in the mist, and at night, the falls are illuminated by a spectacular light show, making for an unforgettable experience. For those seeking adventure, Niagara Falls does not disappoint. The famous Made of the Mist boat tour offers an up-close encounter with the falls, allowing you to feel the power of the water and the mist on your face. It's a thrilling experience that shouldn't be missed. From ziplining over the Niagara River to whitewater rafting in the rapids, there are plenty of activities to get your adrenaline pumping. The Cave of the Winds tour lets you walk along wooden platforms at the base of the Bridal Veil Falls, where you can experience the full force of the cascading water. It's an exhilarating way to connect with nature. Niagara Falls also offers a variety of unique experiences that cater to all types of travelers. Enjoy a romantic dinner with a view of the falls, or take a ride on the Niagara Skywheel for a bird's-eye view of the entire area. These experiences provide unforgettable memories for both couples and families. Explore the lush gardens and natural attractions in the area, such as the Niagara Parks Butterfly Conservatory and the Bird Kingdom, the world's largest indoor aviary. These attractions offer a closer look at the diverse flora and fauna that thrive in this region. Beyond its natural beauty and thrilling activities, Niagara Falls is steeped in history and culture. Visit Old Fort Niagara to step back in time and experience life in the 18th century, or explore the many museums that showcase the rich heritage of the area. From the Niagara Falls History Museum to the Daredevil Museum, there's much to learn about the history and people who have shaped this iconic destination. Niagara Falls is also a paradise for food lovers. The region boasts a diverse culinary scene, with everything from fine dining to local street food. Don't miss the chance to sample the local wines from the Niagara Peninsula, one of Canada's premier wine regions. The combination of delicious food and stunning views makes dining in Niagara Falls an experience to remember. Whether you're looking for luxury accommodations or a more budget-friendly option, Niagara Falls has something to suit every traveler. Stay in a high-end hotel with a view of the falls, a charming bed and breakfast, or a campsite surrounded by nature. No matter where you stay, you'll be close to the action and able to fully enjoy all that Niagara Falls has to offer. Niagara Falls is truly a destination like no other. Its natural beauty, thrilling activities, unique experiences, rich history, and delightful culinary offerings make it the best tourist spot in the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Niagara Falls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. We hope to see you at Niagara Falls soon.